For today's lesson, you will be playing concentration. In order to play concentration, you will be matching contractions, which we talked about today, with the two words that form the shortened words. You will take turns turning over 3 cards and reading the words. If the words are a match, the player keeps the set of cards. Otherwise, the player turns the 3 cards back over and play passes to the left. The player with the most set wins the game. Let's take a look at what this might look like. Here I have an entire set of cards laid down so we can't see. I went first. The 3 cards I chose were you, have, you've. That would be a correct matching set because we know that you and have form the contraction you've. Now, my partner would choose 3 cards. Let's see what happens. My partner decided to choose this card, this card, and this card. Should, have, should've. That is also a match. So my partner will keep those 3 cards. You will continue this until all your cards have been taken and see who won the game.